If you're not yet familiar, there are two versions of AutoCAD's Sheet Set Manager, the classic one and the one made for projects that are saved in docs. For context, when a drawing opens outside the docs environment, the classic SSM is displayed. Sheet Set Manager for web is displayed when a file is opened inside a docs project. Despite what you might expect, they're not exactly the same. The web version can do things that the classic version doesn't, and vice versa. For one, the web version doesn't have these two tabs, so you can't use the Sheet Set Manager for web to create the views. This is the problem I'll be tackling today. Here we go. First, make sure no one is editing the SheetSet DST file. Then, perhaps lock the file using Autodesk Docs. You don't really need to do this, but we don't want anyone interrupting us midstream, as it were. Then turn off SSM Detect mode. When this setting is off, the classic Sheet Set Manager is always displayed, even when the projects are saved in docs. Open the SheetSet file and then do what's necessary. Here I'll add the resource folder. Then I'll add the saved view. And then I'll rename the sheet view. When you're done, close the sheet set, not just the interface. You need to actually right-click and close it, because if you don't, the DST file is still open and it'll not save properly back to docs. Finally, turn SSM Detect mode back on. This restores the Sheet Set Manager for web interface. Happy sheet setting, and I'll see you next time.